Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this waterproof phone pouch. It comes in a big package. We'll see how big this contraption is here. Hopefully it'll fit my phone and some other devices as well. That's kind of the concept of it. So let's see. Okay, everything's out of the box, and this is everything it comes with here. So it's like we have a couple of different straps for it, and then we have pouch here. Let's see, how do we, it's taped up, I guess. What is this? How is it? I don't know how I can open that. One sec. Okay, there we go. So we got two pouches. So these are them, and these are gonna fit like your big old huge iPhones. It'll fit a little iPhone. It's not gonna fit an iPad or anything, but it's close. So it'll fit anything, but let's just check this out and see what it looks like here. So it's got the little clips to open it up. That's kind of nice. It makes it easier than some of the other types of ones. And then here we go. We would open it here, and it's got like a little rubber stuff there. And then if we were to put something in it, I don't have an extra phone. I'm using my phone to record, but let me see what I can stick in there. I'll stick a little, I don't want to stick the dog bone, it'll leave crumbs. Here we go. I'm gonna stick a couple of pieces of paper in it so we know that these are dry. And you can see, and it's good because it's got the little window on the back, so if you put your phone in there, you can use your phone through it, and you can take pictures through it, so that'll be good too. So let's see, so if I open this up here, and then I'll close it. So now it should be sealed, and let me go run this underwater here. I have water right next to me. I have a sink. I don't know, can you guys see it all? There we go. And so if I run the water over the little clip, over the top, see what happens here. So, okay. So there, I've run water over this thing completely. It's very wet. It's Rynapac, Rynapac. And then, let me just dry off the top before I open it and make sure my papers are dry. We'll see how they did. They look pretty dry from here. And if we open it up, it's a couple of little drips in there that made it through, but my papers are very dry. It's a Post-it note, so it's hard to get off, but you can see these papers are just as dry as they were. So it's pretty cool. And then let's see what's it got here. It's just the black. So it looks like it's almost like a second layer here. It's like weird. It's got a second layer here, and then there's a front and a back. I don't know if you can see there's a little piece in between. So I guess you could put something in front and something in back. Maybe you could have papers behind it and have your phone in there as well. And then it comes with, so there's two of them, and then you also get this right here. So this is going to be the strap for it. So we have the strap with a clip on either side, and we'll clip that on here. These are great for like when you're traveling and stuff, so you can just kind of have your stuff right here, everything ready to go. If you were like going in the water and you don't want to, if you don't want it to sink, you can put a little bit of air in here too, so that it'll kind of be a little bit buoyant, or connect something up to it that's buoyant as well. But how cool are these? These are nice. And let's see what else, does it say anything else about it? Just basically gives you the instructions on how to do it if you need that. But I think we did it pretty right here. So thumbs up from me.